welcome back to our channel.
Hi.
They can't see you.
Hi.
We have an unboxing, a big unboxing.
Yeah, that's my hands. You know, that's huge.
It's a big unboxing. We went to Michael's yesterday, and they had a 40% off sale of all of their diamond paintings. And we looked through all of them. We found a bunch we really liked. It was all Diamond Dot stuff. But this one here really caught my eye, and it's like, you know what? It would make a great Christmas decoration. The only thing is now I don't know exactly where we're going to put it, because I don't think I have enough wall space for this in any single wall in this house. But it's a nice Christmas picture. We figured we'd unbox it here on the channel. So let's get started. No, you're not going to see what it is. Piece of tape. Well, that's right. I have to put some. There's the other end.
Oh.
Yeah. There's on the other end. There it is. Okay. First of all, you got to pull out a canvas. The canvas that just keeps on coming and coming and coming. And this big drill packet. Not exactly sure how many drills are there.
Should we do the drills first? Keep them guessing?
No.
Okay.
We'll do this big canvas first. But I am going to unroll it and roll it backwards.
Okay.
So that it'll lay flat. Again, it is a Diamond Dots. Oh, there's a
Slip.
little piece of paper.
Little piece.
Yeah, well, it's a big instruction sheet. In many languages.
Many.
So, is that the side? Is that the top?
That's
the bottom. Okay. Alright, there we go. This thing is huge. Where does Donald Trump would say? It's huge.
Huge.
There it is. It is a partial. It's only the outer border is all drills and special rhinestones. And the wise men and Joseph and Mary and the swaddling stuff.
And the camel.
And the aminals.
The aminals.
The aminals.
And the angels' gowns and wings. Their hands and their faces.
And there's little stars here in the background that are all look like special drills. But they're all
This is going to work up kind of fast.
it might.
I feel like it will.
It's your typical Diamond Dots drill field. If I could bring the camera down, I will. Here we go. Let you see the drill field is very clear, like Diamond Dots should be. There it goes. Yeah, it's just kind of in and out, but you get the point. It's not really. Oops. Say hello.
Hi.
You're kind of crooked, but that's the best I can do it on a lazy arm with a camera that's not made for a lazy arm. So it's kind of crooked. But this is a Diamond Dots nativity scene, and it is
44. 44 colors.
Yes, 44 colors. 5 of those are special shaped drills. The rest are normal, everyday colors. There's 39 colors and then 5 special drills. And it's the canvas size is 94.5 by 110, and the actual design size is 85 by 100. So it's big.
It's a big one.
It covers the whole. We had to clear the whole desk off just to film this. It's just massively big. And it is poured glue, as Diamond Dots usually is. And I was going to say, yeah, nice and sticky. It's not there. Sticky there. Not sticky there. Sticky there. You get the point. Oh, hold on. I have a ruler for that.
Show
it's going to get rolled back up and put away. We're going to do this for our December. I think her and I are going to work this up through the month of December. Hopefully we can get it done during the month of December. It's going to be a stretch. I know that.
I think we can do it. Like, it's going to be... Now, if it was a full drill, that would be a hell no. Sorry. But that ain't happening.
Yeah, it is just a partial. And so now that you've seen the picture, and it is absolutely beautiful. We'll try to hold it up here and see if we can't get a better image of it there. It is stunning. It really is.
You want to try to show the thumbnail on the box?
Yeah, we'll try to do the thumbnail on the box. That'll work better. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if that shows up better. If I can get it to...
Hold your hand behind the box.
Hold my hand behind the box. It's not working.
Yeah, it ain't working.
It won't focus, folks. Move on. Let's see if I can get it, bring it closer. Oh, no, don't move the camera. There we go. No. No focus allowed, it says. You get the point, though. You can see here. It's a pretty picture. You get to see it as we do it kind of up close. There's kind of some of the what it looks like. Well, this thing is so big I can't even get it all in a camera. So let's roll it back up. Put the canvas back in the plastic sleeve to preserve its integrity.
Well, while you do that, I'll show off the drills.
Yes, you show off the drills. It did not come with an inventory sheet, which, you know,
It's Diamond Dotz.
Diamond Dotz never does. And of course, they don't include DMC numbers either, so.
Crinkle alert! So in the drills, you get your typical kit, your baggies, the tray, 2 squishies, 2 pens, and a thing of wax. I don't see any multi-placers in here.
I actually like the Diamond Dotz.
Yeah.
Kits.
I like the wax. It's perfect. And then starting off with the special drills, you get kind of, what would you call that?
It's a blue tiered, well, it's a rainbow, it's kind of a rainbow teardrop, or rainbow, you know, I don't know.
It's special. And then you got a couple of those blue teardrops.
Here, let me help you out here, babe. So you're not leaning way over there.
What do you mean? Oh.
We'll move the camera in a little
Okay.
closer for you.
Technical difficulties here.
No technical difficulties.
You get 2 of this one, which is a gold,
It's like a
gold-plated
it's like a gold rhinestone teardrop shape.
And then you got the yellow,
Big yellow ABs. They're bigger than normal round.
like pearls. And then you get your white pearls.
Yeah, they're rounded. They're not faceted like ABs are, or like drills are. They're just rounded, and they're got the AB coating on them.
They're beautiful. And then we'll flip these over so I can show them off right. And we'll get like a teal, light teal. Hold up, where are we? There you go. And then
Another darker version of pretty much the same color. It's just one shade darker.
and another, you know, you get 4 different colors, or 4 different shades of that one color. Browns.
4 shades of brown.
You got like a skin tone, a little bit darker.
Well, they do have the DMC's number.
Is that what that is?
Yes. I think, no. 8413, no, never mind. No, they're not.
8394, 8403. Maybe like Diamond Dotz version. And then...
Yeah, if there's anybody out there that can tell us what... Bill Collector, shut up. If there's anybody out there that can tell us a way we can cross-reference Diamond Dot's numbers to DMC numbers, would be greatly helpful.
And then... Was that the same color?
No, A11 is different color than A10.
Okay. Just a different shade. And then you get this one. I'm kind of trying to go a little faster.
Ooh, ABs.
Like Mrs. Coffee would say, AB alert.
It's white ABs. They're pretty.
And then you got some more browns. That one kind of reminds me of chocolate pudding.
Yeah.
And then
You got actually all four of those are the same color.
And then you have like an orangey color, black.
Definitely 310s.
Definitely. Some
kind of a
shaded greenish tan.
Goldenrod is what I call it.
Okay. Greens, another AB. Look at that.
Like a light blue AB. That's pretty.
That is pretty. I'm trying. There it goes. It's too shiny for the camera. It says no. It's too much. And then you have light blue, another shade of
lighter
light
blue. Yeah, there's a lot of like very closely color matched shading, so it means there's gonna be a lot of detail on these.
And these
Some kind of olive.
two of that color.
Olive brownish green.
More browns.
Wait a minute, let me see. Okay, the way it was sparkling, I thought it was brown ABs. I was like, that would be interesting.
Yeah. And then there's two A39s. And then
a little light brown. There's a lot of muted colors in this one. Not a lot of very bright colors.
3 bags of A20.
Ooh, small gold.
Faceted ones. Look at that.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah.
Wow. Pretty.
And then not very much orange.
No. There's not a lot of bright colors in here except for that one yellow AB.
So there's all the drills.
You just pile them.
Yeah, I just piled them. I'll fix it.
So there you have it, folks. The yeah, this thing is. There we go. You have the 94 by 110 nativity scene, partial drill Diamond Dotz, and you will get to see us working this one up during the month of December. We'll probably do some whip and chats. It'll probably be the one we work on during our lives. We did finish Starry Night Santa, and I'll have a post review of that coming soon. It's done. It's hanging in the closet waiting on the frame, which is on its way here from China as we speak. Should be here any day now. And then we can get that one done and hung up on the wall. And she also finished up my Statue of Liberty for me.
Yep.
While I was at work this week.
If you haven't seen it already, it's on my channel.
Yeah, she did the video of it. She did a post review on it for me on her channel. You know, Ash Ink 93. Diamond painting with Ash Ink 93.
We got a plug, you know. Plug it.
But she finished up my Diamond Art Club Statue of Liberty, and it is absolutely beautiful. And I'll be putting my review up on Diamond Art Club for that one, so I can get my points. Yeah.
Yep. Woo! Points.
Gotta get my points. So yeah, we just wanted to get this video recorded since we got it yesterday, and we're getting ready to go live here in about 30 minutes or so. and we figure, well, we'll get it recorded before we go live, because I've been out doing DoorDash all day today, her and I have, and we went out to eat, and I was out doing Lyft the past 2 nights until 3 a.m. each night, so yeah, we didn't have time to get everything done.
Yeah, it's been kind of hectic.
Hectic weekend. It's a hectic week coming up, because I got a lot of DoorDash and Bite Squad scheduled this week, so, but at least I got Thursday off, and Friday.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
Yeah.
If we don't see you by then, happy Thanksgiving.
Well, we're gonna see him in a half hour.
I mean, after this video goes up, because this is gonna go up after our live, right?
Yeah, it'll go up after our live, but we'll probably do another video later this week. So. Okay.
Well, if we don't see you.
We got all Thanksgiving Day to record if we want to.
Oh,
we can put up 5 videos a day if we want to on Thanksgiving and Friday.
Okay, if you want to. Hey, we can live stream for 8 hours that day if you really want.
No. You get a lot done. No, I still wouldn't get anything done. All right. Well, that is it, folks. We will talk to you later in about 30 minutes. Yes. And until then, rock on, y'all.
Toodles.